It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. It's a Monday morning today. Uh, I know you guys, I haven't been saying what day it is in the recent videos. Um, I have, but I've been taking it out because I've been splitting some of these videos because it's too long in one day. So I know it's life every day. And you will see what I'm doing every day, but sometimes that video is just not on that day. So like, let's say I'm filming today and I say good morning, it's a Monday morning, right? Today I might have so much things doing, that video is just too long for that day. So I'll split it and put a part of it for today and a part of it for tomorrow, right? I know it's not the same day and it's life every day, but it's still my life every day. You know what I'm doing in the evening today, if I post it tomorrow, it's still, you know, life every day. So most of the videos I've been putting out, it's not on that day. A part of it may be on that same day. As I said, it's hard to keep up because I get so much footage throughout the day. It's hard for me to come home and post that video that I post that day the same day. So it's always the following day or the next day sometimes, right? So the content I'm putting out, guys, it may not be the same day. You guys might be trying to figure it out. Somebody just reached out to me and say, hey, but that's not it. I know it's not the same day. If you guys in the YouTube world know, it's hard to film and post that same day unless it's a short video. My videos, my footages are sometimes 2 hours long, so I have to come in and edit that down to an hour. You know what I'm saying? And even an hour is too long. I'm finding out the shorter videos makes more sense, right? It's easier for you guys to watch. So, you know, with that being said, you'll hear me say Monday, but it wasn't posted on a Monday because this video I'm videoing right now, it's a Monday morning, it's early. By the end of the day, when I get done, 4, 5, 6, or maybe 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock sometimes, it varies. At 8, 9 o'clock, being on the road all day, I won't be able to sit around that computer and edit for another 2 hours, 3 hours, right? So it's hard sometimes to get it out on the same day, you know? However, it's getting out there, right? Even if it's a day late, so just bear with me. Sometimes it's a day late. However, it's just life every day. It don't have to be on that day, right? Moving magic. Anyhow, it's a Monday morning. It's a beautiful Monday morning. It's always beautiful. As you can tell, the birds are chirping. The sun is coming out, guys. We have a lot of activities down there. There's a lot of birds in the back. Guys, I still haven't gotten their food, so I'm gonna try and get some food today, this morning, so I could put it in there for the evening time. They eat in the evening and they eat in the morning time. So, you know, now I started feeding them and they start looking out for it. See, they're here every morning. You might not be able to see it in camera, but they're over there. There's a lot of birds right in that area. You could hear them. Yeah, you could hear them, you know. So there's a lot of birds on the ground. As I said, you won't be able to see them because this is not zoomed in, but they look forward for the, you know, for the food I put out there. They all eat from it. The squirrels eat from it as well. So what I'm gonna do when I get the new one, I'm gonna put some in the bird feed and I'm gonna spread some over on the floor over there for the squirrels, because the squirrels come down and try and go in there and they make a mess, you know, turn it upside down and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna spread some over there for the squirrel and then have some for the birds. Maybe I'm gonna get some peanuts or something. This shirt kind of, you know how you, when you wash your shirt and you didn't put it to dry same time, it has that wet smell, or in Jamaica would I say the moldy smell. Yeah, so beautiful Monday morning. This morning So over the weekend there, I had gotten some sample tiles. In the videos before, you'll see me with some sample tiles. We chose some tiles for the flooring already, and I chose some tiles for the bathroom and the that under counter section where that wooden look is gonna be. We chose all those. So today I never got to go get them. Yesterday it started raining, so I didn't want to be in the rain, bringing boxes back and forth. So today it's gonna be sunny, so the order of today is to get the door frames. I had bought some doors a couple videos back, but I didn't get the door frames. So I found a company that has door frames, so I'm gonna pick up those door frames today, and also get the tiles today. So today it's tiles and door frames. Anything else I'll leave to tomorrow. I'm gonna bring up the trailer tomorrow. A friend of mine is coming in town, so we're gonna work on that part of it, get the trailer up to the house so I could unload those things. I am selling the trailer, guys. If you guys or anybody watching interested in a food trailer, it's a partial build out. It's not finished yet, but it's a good start. It's a brand new trailer. I'm gonna be bringing that trailer up. You'll see videos of it. I'll video what's done to it and what's not. So I'm gonna use some equipment out of that trailer. So I'm gonna bring it up, take all those equipment and put it in one place. The fryers, I'm gonna take the fryers over to the restaurant. All the equipment I'm using, I'm gonna take over to the restaurant. In the meantime, because I don't have any space to put anything. So I'm just gonna put them in a corner somewhere and shift them around if we have to. There's certain areas in that restaurant where we're not gonna be doing any work. So there's certain little corners up in the front where, like in the customer area, the pickup area, I could put everything up against that wall right there. There's not gonna be any work being done in that area. So we'll just pack everything over there until all the workmen is done with the walls and everything. Then we could put whatever we need to put where, So today it's just gonna be door frames and the tiles. I'm gonna pick up the tiles and the door frames. We got the 12-foot hood in for the vent hood. So I'm gonna get with the hood guy to see when he'll schedule to come and get that installed. The sooner the better. When he gets his stuff in, because remember that once we get our permit, we're gonna start digging floors and stuff. So it's gonna be hard for them to maneuver inside there with that going on. So I'm gonna have him come in first and do his part, get it out of the way. His part is up in the roof, the ceiling and the roof. So there's nothing should be on the floor. Once we get digging, so I'm gonna have him come in and get his part done. Definitely I'm gonna get with the plumber for him to start the grease trap. So I'm gonna figure that part out and see if we could get that going. So yeah, that's about it. I mean, we're gonna get the day started. It's now 8 o'clock, so it's a little bit later today. It's not too early. I got up earlier, but I was, getting ready and all of that. So let me get the day started. I'm gonna check on my analytics a little bit. Thank you again for the subscribers, guys. It's growing one at a time, one day at a time. I believe I'm at about 126 or something like that. I know to you guys that's nothing. 126 subscribers, nothing. Is something to me. I only started like 2 months ago, about 2 months ago now, with probably like 30 or 40 subscribers. So getting this many subscribers this quick is a lot for me. I know other guys out there other YouTubers would probably get 500 in 2 weeks, but it depends on the content. This content is, I would say, it's not so interesting. It's interesting to some people because they are subscribing, but to the masses, it's not, because it's, other content is probably more interesting to more people. But yeah, I'm here. I'm gonna get to it. This we already gone 10 minutes of talking, so I'm gonna try and cut it down. So let's get to the next scene. I'm gonna head out. As soon as I head out, I'm gonna get back on the vlog. All right, so stay tuned, guys. So we're at Floor and Decor. We're gonna pick up some tiles for the Peppaz project. We out here, guys. We out here. We're gonna pick up all the tiles we need for the front area and the bathroom. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, guys, so we're gonna get this for the subway tiles right here for the service area. The back wall, that service area, pickup area, we have to do subway tiles on from the ceiling to the floor in the pickup area. So that's the one we're gonna go with right here. We also have to put in the bathroom, the customer's bathroom, we also have to put ceiling tiles from ceiling to floor. So this is the look we're gonna go for. The whole entire bathroom has to be tiled ceiling to floor. So they got that one, they got the square ones. We're gonna go with this one, the 1x2 as opposed to the 2x2. So on the floors, we're gonna go with this concrete looking tile, like what's on this floor. This is natural concrete, but they got tiles that look like concrete, so we're gonna go with that right there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take all the materials we need for this project: the floors, the subway tile for the customer area, and the bathroom tiles, floor to ceiling. I already got the quarry tiles for the back part of the kitchen. However, they got quarry tiles over here too. They have I'll show you. So they got different quarry tiles right here. They have this dark looking one, like a dark brown, almost black. They got this red one. That's the standard one they always use in the kitchen. And then they got this brown, like sandstone looking one. This sandstone one is similar to what we got. It's a little bit lighter than this one though. So this tile place, guys, Floor and Decor, they have all sorts of tiles and wood floors and everything over here. Big warehouse full of tiles. You could come check them out if you need tiles, if they're in your area. Yeah. Alright, so let's go find this lady and let's load up. So I'm gonna get this floor thing right here. Let me show you. So this one right here, we're gonna use this one for the under the counter in the pickup area. We're gonna have that pickup counter. This is gonna go underneath, so we're gonna give it that wood look, that wood finish. You know, that pickup counter, kind of rustic. I was thinking of using this one. That's more wood, but we'll probably go with that one over there. Probably go with that one. I'm gonna get me a sample of this one, so I'll put this side. This is more like a sample. Yeah. Alright guys, so let me get someone to assist and then we could go from there. Alright guys, so we got the flooring, laminate flooring, but it's not gonna be on on the floors. This is for counter, as I said, or what do you call it, or pickup counter, you know. All right, let me set you up in here so I could put. Guys, I'm trying to set you up without break this camera. All right, so there we go. So I'm putting these on the seat, the back seat on my pickup truck, and the reason for that is I'm gonna put the tiles in the bed of the pickup truck. So I'm gonna put these. All right. So they're gonna put the orders together. They're gonna put the tile and order together, and then I'm gonna pick it up in 45 minutes, they said. So let's see, what time is it? I placed the order, I would say about 2 o'clock, so about 3 I'll come back and they'll put it together. So yeah, all right, so that should be good right there. I'm just gonna probably go get me some lunch, get me some lunch, and then come on back. There's Floor and Decor right there. Probably just gonna go by the mall real quick. The mall is across the highway on the other side. Just gonna get me some lunch over there and come back. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'm on it, guys, I'm on it. Alright guys, so we're here at Floor and Decor, waiting on our order. They're gonna pick the items. Apparently I'm sitting there waiting 45 minutes. They said it would be ready in 45 minutes, but I waited, came here now, and I heard the dude saying that he's gonna pick it. So I guess they didn't get it ready. But let me get myself together. I'm assuming we're gonna put it on pallets. So let's move these over to one side. Yeah, picking up tiles, guys. They're pulling them. So they got the gray ones already. They're doing the polished ones now. Guys, if you need tiles, come to Floor and Decor. They got lots of tiles, plain white ones, marble looking ones, black ones, a bunch of different tiles and floors, laminate floors over there, the padding, grout, tin set, anything that has to do with floors and bathroom stuff. They got it. They might not have the style you want, but they have a lot to choose from. It's a huge, huge warehouse. See? They got everything. They got cabinets, all sorts of laminate floors, grout, subway tiles, those little mosaic tiles. They got a bunch of them. guys need tiles and fake grass to go by your pool, you can do like a slate stone tile. I got the fake grass. I use this in more like driveways and pool area. These are the tiles that look like wood, but it's not wood. Different variations of it. Over here you got your grout tin set. So I'm gonna buy the grout and the tin set later on in the build. I didn't choose those now. I didn't know how much to buy when it comes to the tile, so I guess I'm gonna have to figure that out. The grout normally don't go up in price like that, but the tiles will, and then availability and all of that. So you know, as far as grout and tin set, those will always be available, different brand, but the tile you choose might be not in stock or not available, so those I'll get ahead of time. The tiles we're gonna do last, so maybe another 2 months, maybe 3 months before we do the tiles. So that's why I'm getting the tiles from now. I don't want the prices to go up, or the one you choose, it's out of stock. So you got all the corner moldings right here, the corner edges. So I'm gonna need a couple of these as well. When we do the subway tiles, we're gonna put these on the edges as opposed to the tiles that goes on the edge. Yeah. Corner molding. If I use the tiles that go on the edge, like the corner cove tiles, it gets expensive because you're gonna have to buy 10 feet worth of tiles to go on the edge from floor to ceiling. You could just drop one of these right here. Yeah. Different color, they got them in white, different thickness, different curve, you know. So they got these, like a little curve one right here. Got the right angle one right here. So hold on guys, let me take this call. Hello guys, so they coming out with it now. Let me go take this tonneau cover off. I just ran into a old customer of ours the other day, just a while ago. Used to be a customer of the old restaurant I had. So yeah, hey guys. A lot of boxes, guys. I'm gonna have to lift these tiles once more. Heavy tiles. I'll probably take the local way down. Yeah. Hold on, guys. Set you up right here. Yeah, that's good right there. That's good, that's good.
You get more?
No, that's good.
That good?
Yeah, yeah. I ain't going far. I'm just going right down the street.
Get your signature real quick. Actually, I didn't even pick it yet. Let me see if I pick it. That sun is coming out.
I tell you. Hot.
John, I'll leave here. I gotta go to work at Amazon, man. That's not great area. Yeah, it's Prime Week, so they make the managers over there work extra days. So you're good, man. Have a good day.
Right. Thank you.
Hold on.
Alright guys, so this one is heavy, but we got it though. Alright guys, so we got all these tiles to unload when we get over there by the restaurant. I'm gonna take a picture of it. Alright guys, so we're all loaded up. There's our pallet in the back of the pickup truck. We got our the wood laminate for the corner right there. So now we're gonna head over to the restaurant and drop everything off. I got a lot of work to do to unload all those things. Anyway, we're gonna get to it. Let's go. Brought anything this heavy in a SMOKEY. I mean, this truck is a 3500 so I shouldn't have any problems in terms of I don't have any straps though. I didn't take any straps, so I'm just gonna take my time and take the local road, you know. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna stay focused on this one. Put my seatbelt on and see you at the restaurant. So we're on our way to Peppaz. We got our load in the back. Peppaz is not too far. It's probably like 10 minutes away from Floor and Decor. So we're almost there. We're probably like 5 minutes away. You know, 5 minutes away. That place right there is where I had gotten the sign. That's where it says Grand Ballroom, Genesis Ballroom, I think. That's where I'd gotten the idea for our sign, all black with it being backlit with the lights in the back. We had driven past that place and saw it, and I said, yo, that's pretty cool right there. So we ended up making a sign similar to our own. Yeah, but yeah, I'm on my way. We're almost there, 5-10 minutes. I got all those tiles to unload from the truck, guys. So I'll be there a while. Once again, I'm loading tiles, unloading tiles. So let's get to it. We're on it. See, this is the exit they're working on. Once they get done with this exit right here, we'll have a lot more traffic. Right now we have a lot of traffic on this road, as you can tell. See, there's a lot of traffic on this road, but once they get that exit done, man, it's gonna be more crazy. That gas station is gonna see a lot more people. As you can tell, it's a pretty busy road. This is not a minor road, this is a major road. McGuinness Ferry is a major road. It runs across the highway, but they didn't have any exits. So with this exit coming in right here, this road is going to be crazy. So that's another good thing in terms of you know, a lot more traffic. We'll have a lot more traffic inside the gas station. You know, hopefully by the time we open, the exit will open by the end of the year. I don't know how long it's going to take them, but at the pace that they're going, I'm expecting them to finish it by the end of the year. If we're finished and open, here's the gas station right here. So that's how close it is to the exit. It's the exit. We're like not even a minute from the exit, less than a minute from the exit. So we'll pretty much have a you know, we're almost on the exit. There's another Circle K right by the exit, so there's 2 Circle K within the block. So we should be, you know, we should be good. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're here at the Peppaz project. I'm gonna wait till it's kind of dark, guys. Yeah, we're at the Peppaz project. Now I'm gonna unload all these tiles right here. So somewhere right here. What I should have done is gotten another pallet, guys. If I'd gotten another pallet, I could have put all those in a pallet, and then if I have to move them around, I'll just use this right here and move them around. So I think I'm gonna unload them and then pack them on a pallet. I should have gotten an empty pallet from the floor and decor. That way I could have you know, just unload them off of this and put them on a pallet right here. But no big deal. We're gonna get it more work, but we're gonna get it done. So yeah, let me set you up in here, and then we get cracking. Should probably put you over here. All right, guys. So let's see. Yeah, let's do it like that. This I'm gonna probably do time lapse. So stay tuned. I'm gonna start working. One second, guys. I'm gonna. Alright guys, so I saw a truck over there, a box truck. I'm gonna ask him if he's got any pallet in there, so I could see if he have any. Yeah, he didn't have no empty pallet. I want empty pallet. Me I try to see if the truck man have, cause me have a pallet jack. So I could unload them on the pallet jack and just move them around and move them.
Right.
But me forget to ask the people them up on floor and decor for an extra one, you know? Alright guys, so we're gonna set you back up here. exercise. Me have done it too, but I don't done the problem on it. See, I have put them on it and take them out. You want to put them on a pallet? I want to put them on a pallet and I will move them in and everything good. So it's alright. Good exercise. Get some good exercise, you know? We see all them little subway time, how much of them? Road walk, 14 feet a walk. Start to get there. If it goes so far, I should have put up from right or something. I don't want to block up my handicap. Nobody handicap. That's where I work. They ain't gonna mess with it. Alright guys, so we got our tiles. So now we're gonna have to unload all that pallet right there, all these tiles. Put them in here. Alright guys, so this is the smoke shop next door. So the contractor I'm using, he's also working over here. So I'm helping him to put the blowers, the hand blowers for the bathroom. I'm gonna hook them up for him. Instead of him waiting on an electrician, they got inspection tomorrow. So I'm putting it up. So this is gonna go here on the wall right here. So we just, I'm helping him out. He helping me out, so I'm helping him out. I'm gonna install these two blowers for him. So yeah, we're gonna put two of them in. We got one over there, and we got one more right here. So this is what I'm saying with the we gotta tile it from ceiling, from floor to ceiling. See? Yeah. So, but yeah, this is the smoke shop.